Literal phrases like "I am clumsy" deliver raw data, leaving the listener to guess the emotion or intensity of the moment. Without imagery, the communication feels sterile. Humans solve this problem by using the imagery of our primary tools, the ones we use to manipulate the physical world around us, our hands. This diagram organizes our relationship with reality into 3 expanding circles of interaction. We start with the self, expand outward to others, and finally reach the world. Applying specific idioms to these zones transforms a speaker's output from a list of clinical facts into a series of visual mini-stories. In the innermost circle, hand idioms describe our internal traits and personal capabilities. If you lack manual precision and drop screws while assembling furniture, you are all thumbs. The phrase turns a lack of coordination into a specific, awkward image. Conversely, some people possess a natural talent for making plants thrive. We describe them as having a green thumb, as if the ability to cultivate life is an inherent physical trait. When we face situations entirely out of our control, we keep our fingers crossed. It is the physical representation of an internal hope for good luck. We use our digits to map out these internal states of competence, incompetence, and hope. The second circle focuses on managing relationships with others. When someone willingly bends to your influence, you have them wrapped around your finger. This differs from when a manager controls employees through strict, overpowering demands, keeping them under their thumb. And when relationships break down, we point the finger at someone. It is the physical manifestation of shifting blame or accusing someone of a wrongdoing. These phrases provide a precise vocabulary for the exchange of power and responsibility between 2 people. The final, widest circle represents our engagement with broad systems and complex environments. An entrepreneur running tech startups and restaurants simultaneously has their fingers in every pie. It's a metric for high activity across multiple arenas. To maintain that activity, you keep your fingers on the pulse, ensuring you stay updated on the latest trends within those networks. Acting blindly in these systems carries risk. If you invest without research and fail, you burn your fingers. You suffer the consequences. If you fail to blend into a larger environment, like wearing casual clothes to a black tie event, you create social friction. You stick out like a sore thumb. Whether we are tracking business trends or facing financial losses, we conceptualize worldly abstraction through the tactile feedback of our hands. This system categorizes our reality into a clear path, moving from the self, outward to others, and finally into the world. Relying on these 3 circles provides a speaker with a system for spatial thinking. A literal description identifies the situation. An idiom highlights the friction within it. Using the physical imagery of our hands allows everyday conversations to feel tactile and visually rich. Adopting these phrases gives your vocabulary a definitive thumbs up.